everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start today by blending phonemes. I'm going to say each sound with have your choppers ready. I'm going to say each sound and then I want you to repeat the sounds and then together we'll blend them. Here we go. W, e, l. Will, t, e, n. Tin, h, e, p. Hip, l, e, d. Lid, p, e, t. Pit, d, e, g. Dig, d, e, m. Dim, s, e, p. Sip, last one, f, e, n. Fin. Nice job. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster some words. You're going to use this hand. I'll say the word, and then we'll say the first sound quiet, the middle vowel sound loud, and the last sound quiet. The word is pill. P-ill. Lip. Lip. Pin. P-in. Fib. F-ib. Hid. H-id. Hit. It. Rip. R-ip. Fix. F-ix. Hiss. H-is. Gym. J-im. Nice job. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat the word, then we will chop it into 3 separate phonemes. Here we go. Fin, f-i-n. Sip, s-ip. Dim, d-i-m. Lick, l-ick. Dig, d-ig. Fit, f-it. Lid, l-id. Hip, h-ip. Tin, t-in. Will, w-i-l. Good. All right, now we're going to substitute beginning sounds. So get your fists ready. The first word is mill. Change m to f. Fill. The word is lip. Change l to t. Tip. The word is fit. Change f to s. Sit. The word is tin. Change t to p. Pin. The word is him. Change h to d. Dim. Good. Almost done. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the ending word part, and then we're going to add the beginning sound to make a word. The word is id. Add l to the beginning. Lid. The word is im. Add r to the beginning. Rim. The word is ick. Add t to the beginning. Pick. The word is it. Add s to the beginning. Sit. The word is ix. Add to the beginning. Mix. Good. Last exercise, we're going to delete phonemes. So we'll start with the whole word and then we'll remove the beginning sound. The word is kid. Without k, the word is id. The word is pig. Without p, the word is ig. The word is win. Without w, the word is in. The word is zip. Without z, the word is ip. The word is fix. Without f, the word is ix. Great job today, everybody. Don't forget to practice your new poem.